What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Cool Cooks. We are back for another video. Happen to be out in Torrance, so of course we got to check out the Nike Outlet. Let's see what they got. All right, I did leave my family to come check this Nike Outlet out for you guys, so guess I can't be out too long. All right, let's go see what they got, man. All right, every once in a blue moon they do have a heat card out here. Not today. All right, let's see what they got. It is 40% off the clearance wall. Let's go see what's up. Sometimes they do have a heat section, but I've told you guys, like, heat sections aren't what it's all cracked up to be, because you don't get that 40% off or 30% off. You don't get that discount. All right, let's go see what they got in the back. All right, I'm pretty sure I'm in the 10 and a half. There's size 11 right here. 175 for the Jordan 36 lows. I think after the 40% off, that brings it down to what, 100 bucks? These the Cosmic Unity 2s, $160, 10 and a half. LeBron, these are size 8 and a half, go for 170, way too much. Oh my goodness, look at how cheap these are. Size 9, 50 bucks. Another 40% off on top of that, so 30, was it 30 bucks? Holy crap. I need to see if they have any other sizes. While I was looking around, I just brought a bunch of stuff out, some Jordans, some Jordan 2s, 2 bills to get 40% off of that buck. Is that $1.20 for these? Wow. Material is so nice on these. Oh my goodness. My goodness. Material is just A1. Just not a fan of, I don't know, I'm just not digging these like that. Brought these out as well. More Jordan 2s. I don't remember who the collab, this was a collab with somebody, I forgot who it was. I know this isn't the Titan one. The Titan one was like the greenish pair. I don't know, but these, got these, 2 bills for these, but you do get that 40. So brought these out. I guess someone returned a bunch of 10 and a halves to be able to get these for 40% off. 40% off, man. I don't really want these though. I'm not digging these like that. But damn, to be able to get these for 40% off. All right, I saw the worker grab a bunch of, I did see the worker bring out a bunch of Jordans, so I had to get that for you guys. I need to see if they have my size in these for $30, for 30 effing dollars. Crazy, the Jordan 1's still there. That's crazy. Dang, if I was a reseller, I'd be so happy. Look at this. Look at this. Grab these for freaking 40% off, 10 and a half, dude. That is fire. More Jordan 1s. Oh my goodness. They just brought out more. The Heritage, to be able to get these for freaking 40% off. Holy crap. And they brought another one of these. So there's 2 of these sitting out now. Man. And I'm sitting around looking for another one of these. All these Jordans popping up. We got another. These are all 10 and a half too. And they're giving you the full box on this one. The 37s. Holy crap, this is fire. I can't believe they got so much heat here. This is insane, dude. Holy crap. Size 9. Got some lows. These are the Kyrie 5 lows. $90. Get that 40 off on top of that. I haven't had a chance to talk to one of the workers. My Nike app is not working. Like, usually I can use my Nike app, but there's no in-store mode for whatever reason. I've had that happen here and there. So I can't check to see if they have other sizes. I'm going to ask one of the workers. All right, I finally did get one of the workers check for me. Yeah, they don't have any other sizes, man. This is it. Dang it. More 10 and a halves. Man, dude. LeBron's go for 90. Checking out the 11s now. Got some Air Max 97s. Go for 130. So what's that, $70? Okay. Got some lows. The lows right here. $110? What the hell? Retail. Why would they get retail for these things? I guess you did get 40% off. Terra Escape 97s go for 110. 10 and a half. Size 12 iShod. iShod wears go for 105. With the Juke move right there. We got these. Look like Jordan 1s, but they're the Court Visions. Go for 85. Infinities. Oh, that fool said, hey, that's the only size they have, but now it shows the size 16. Their system must be off, dude. Dang. There's a gray school size right here going for 80. Seen these before. These are freaking fly, dude. Size 11 go for 140. Look at these hiding right here because they're in a weird box to put all the boxes back. Size 13, 160 for these. So is that retail? I think these are 180, right? So little discount, and then you get that other 40 as well. Wow. Size 12 Invincible Run Finance go for 95. Size 13, sizing just everywhere. Blazer Lows go for 85. Size 13, do got some golf. Jordan Golfs right there. Jordan 12 Lows. Got some old school Ice Cube they got. Okay, size 17. What the heck? They usually don't have that big a size here. Size 13, 155 for those. Nothing too crazy in the bigger sizes. Look at this. These have been here for a few minutes now. The 2 still there. The Low still there. Wow. Heritage still there. Man, this is dope. This is dope. The 11 Low still there. Go for under 100 bucks. This is crazy. This is crazy. I'm going to the lower sizes, but yeah, not really. But here, the KD15s go for 130. Oh my God, that's well under 100 bucks for those. Wow. Size 13, got some more Kyrie Low 5s right here, go for $120. Look like some breads, but nah, they're nothing. Air Max 90s. Oh, these ain't no Air Max 90s, dog. Come on now, man. You get me like that? Come on now. Monarch size 9. Oh, what the hell is all that right there? $60 for those. Hirachis go for 120. That's a size 10 though. What's the PGs right here? PGs 6s go for 120. Haven't seen too many of these. It's just the Hot Wheels collab. Okay. Size 8.5 right there. I've never seen these in person. LeBron's Witnesses. Size 9 go for 95. We got some. Oh man. All right, we're putting that back. Box is gonna go everywhere. Panties. Bone colorway. Go for 120. Okay, these aren't dirty or nothing. Seen a lot of these dirty because that suede, man, suede attracts all that dirt. Impossible to get off. Size 8. Another one right there. Gore-Tex Air Max 90 go for 160. Zoom Freak 4 go for 130. Size 9. These are down to 50 bucks. Man, if I can find this in a bigger size. Oh, the worker did bring this out too. The Chinese New Year's. Oh no, these are the clots. My bad. These are the clots. Oops, my bad. Okay, the clot 5 right here, down to 2 bills. Size 8.5. Damn, dude. 120 after the savings. Damn. Dang, happened to be here at a great time, dude. 11 still there. The 2s. Oh my God. All right, let's look at the aisles now, dude. Dude got some soldiers right here. The Soldier 14s. Another one of those. Witness 6s. PG 6s right here. Hydro 6s. KD 15s. Flytrap. Mortalities. Couple of those. More Flytrap 4s. Ice Shods. Alley-oops. Blazer Premiums. Greater Impacts. Air Max 2090s. 2017s. Air Max 2090s. Air Force One Mid. Quick Strike, Blazer Lows, Vapor Max, Flyknit 2021, Monarchs, Free Metcon 3s, Metcon 7s, another one of those. Onto the running shoes, Pegasus 37s, Infinity Run Flyknit 3s, Pegasus 38 Shields, another one of them Infinity Run Flyknit, Phantom React Flyknits. So they don't have the heat section, I'm telling you. Heat section so overrated. You rarely ever get the discounts, and they got all these J's and stuff for a discount at 40% off. That's just crazy. We're checking out some apparel, and then I think we're done. We're checking out the apparel. Got a blank WNBA jersey. I was like, "What's Chicago's at?" 50 bucks for that one. That is an XL, women's XL though. Blank Spurs jersey go for 75. Nike hoodie. It's a small right here. I wonder what the price tag on this is. All right, I don't even know how much this is. We'll find out because yeah, I need some small hoodies, Nike hoodies. They got a ton of these blank jerseys. And they also got the Kings ones. I'm not really seeing too much else. Orlando one too, $50. Hey, Mariah Carey. Now, music is loud, dude. I haven't really seen music that loud here. I thought the music was always pretty quiet. I'm not really seeing anything too crazy dope here. Oh, are these the Clot 5 pants? Double XL, $2 though. Normally $2.50. See the Clot symbol right there. These are freaking dope. $55. So this is a 4XL and it's for tall. Holy crap! But the material on this is fire though. SB pants right here. 32 going for $44. This is an extra 40% off. So those deals are fantastic. These SB pants are dope, dude. A little thin for me. I kind of like a little baggier. 40% off of all this. $25 for that. These shorts are dope. And these shorts are dope, actually. What the hell? How much are these? How much are these? $25. They're normally $55. Oh, they all, look at all the sizes. They're all XL, double XL, triple XL, quadruple XL. I don't know. They're all big though. They don't even look that big though. That's insane, but damn, that's crazy. Yeah, this is a triple XL. Look at that. Damn, look at that pricing. I got this scanned. I think she's at $35.40. I totally forgot, but it is 40% off, so it is a really, really good price. Dang, they got all this college stuff out like hella quick. Georgia Bulldogs. It is going for regular price of $45. They're not dumb. They know fools will buy this, you know, especially right around the national championship game. In Ohio State stuff. I was hoping this would be on sale so I could help one of my family members out, but no, not on sale. Regular price. These are what, $65. Dang, dude. Long sleeve going for $35. T-shirts, you get 20% off. Not seeing anything super dope though. I'm not really seeing anything crazy dope. Not really. What I am wearing, undefeated dunks. I think was it Take 5 or something. Got 5 on it or something. 5 different materials. Super fire. Fan of them. And then got some Lakers. Wearing my Lakers Mitchell & Ness shorts. Lakers hoodie, man. Lakers Nike hoodie. Oh yeah, I'm gonna have to grab this for a family friend. Dang it. Yep. Definitely gonna have to grab this. Too cheap. It's gonna come out to like what, 30. Dang, what is that? $18? 18 bucks, I think. Oh, there's a hoodie right here. Is this the same one that was over there? Maybe they do have more Ohio State stuff here. I don't know. I think after college football or college national championships, I think we're gonna find a lot of Ohio State stuff. I'm just gonna grab this. All right, I need to get out of here. Probably a shorter vlog, you guys. All right, both items came out to what, $46 after tax, so $41 before tax. So $24 for the hoodie, and then what, $17.99 for the shirt. So not bad. Damn, the Bed Bath & Beyond out in Burbank closed. Now this one's closing too? Damn.